بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I think we last class we did up to ayah number 35. So inshallah, today we are going to start from ayah 36. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما يتبع أكثرهم إلا ظنا إن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا إن الله عليم بما يفعلون. So inshallah I will get some help and then we will study this ayah and try to understand it. Okay, is brother Naeem with us today?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, brother. Go ahead, brother Naeem.
وما يتبع أكثرهم إلا ظنا إن الظن لا يغني من الحق شيئا إن الله عليم بما يفعلون.
All right.
And ma not يتبع, he follows, أكثرهم, most of them, إلا, except, zanna, guessing or thought.
Sorry, say it again.
Guessing or thought, assumption.
Assumption, yeah, assumption, yeah.
Inna, indeed, azanna, the assumption, la, not, yugni, he benefits or he will benefit, min, from, al-haqqi, the truth, shay'a, anything, inna, indeed, Allah,
Slow down.
Okay, brother Naeem, slow down a bit.
Alimun, all knowing, be with,
Always knowing.
always knowing, be with ma, what, yaf'aluna, they do, they will do.
All right. Combine it, please.
And most of them will not follow except assumption. Indeed, the assumption, it is not benefit anything
It will not, or it doesn't.
It doesn't benefit anything against the truth. Indeed, Allah always knowing what they do.
All right. What's the chapter for Yattabi'u?
Ittaba yattabi'u ittiba'a. Ittabi'u yattabi'u. Ihtada bab iftihal.
FTR level 3, inshallah, we will learn this sometimes in the near future. Aksaru, what is Aksaru grammatically?
Ism tafdil.
Ismut tafdil, huh?
Ismut tafdil.
Ismut tafdil. So Ismut tafdil normally means Aksaru means more, Akbaru means bigger. But you said most. Why you said most, brother?
Because if Ismut tafdil using as a madaf, then it will be superlative.
It is superlative. Very good. What's the chapter for Zanna?
Zanna is a chapter madaf. Zanna yazunnu.
Zanna yazunnu. And what is Zannan here?
This is a masdar.
Masdar. And what about this one?
This is also masdar.
Masdar. Chapter for Yugni, brother.
Agna yugni igna. Chapter if all.
Yeah, Agna Yugni, you can say Igna an, or if you want to make it Rafa, Igna un. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not Igna a. All right. So this is again level, what level?
Level 3. Chapter if all. Special case Agna yugni.
Why there is Allah and not Allahu?
Because nawasibul ism. Inna is a nawasibul ism. That's why I make Allah mansoob.
Inna is one of the nawasibul ism. Huh?
One of the.
It is nasib. So nasib and plural is nawasib. So because this is one word, we will say this is nasibul ism. Huh?
Nasibul ism.
Or you can say one of the nawasibul ism, as you like. Alim.
It's ismu sifa.
Ismu sifa. What's the first word, brother?
Alima ya'lamu, Samia yasma'u.
Samiya yasma'u. And yaf'aluna?
Babu fataha, fa'ala yaf'alu.
Very good. Thank you, brother. You knew it very well. Jazakallahu khairan. So this is how we need to know where every word came from, what chapter it belongs to. Is it Madi or Al-Mudare, or it is Masdar, what is it, or Ismu Sifa, or Ismu Tafdil. So this was a good example. But Brother Naeem. So Musab Iqbal, you have a question or you have raised your hand?
I have a question.
Sorry,
I have a question.
go ahead.
Can you repeat ayah 36 again, word by word, slowly?
Can you speak up a bit? I can hardly understand you, Musab.
Can you repeat ayah 36 slowly, word by word, one more time?
Oh, you want me to translate the ayah slowly, number 36?
Yes.
Okay. And not most of them follow. Most of them, aksaruhum is the outside doer of yattabi'u. And not most of them follow except assumption, an assumption.
Can you actually do word by word?
Oh. Brother Naeem just did word by word, huh? He just did it.
Oh.
You should be paying attention. So it will be done in, if you want to do again, it will be done in the breakout room now. Indeed, the assumption, it will not benefit, or it doesn't benefit a thing, even a little bit, against the truth. From the truth over here means against the truth, or when comparing it with the truth. Indeed, Allah always knows, always knowing of what they do. Okay. You can keep, you still have a question, Musab, or your hand is still up for some reason? You can take it down now. Yeah, thank you. So, Brother Azhar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. So, brother, let's start ayah number 37.
من الشيطان الرجيم وما كان هذا القرآن أن يفترى من دون الله ولكن يديه
That's good, brother. Yeah, he is good. Okay.
Wa and ma not kana is haza this.
Sorry, brother. Kana means?
Haza this. Kana.
First word in Baba Jawab.
Yeah, he was.
He was, yeah.
He was. Haza this Quranu, the Quran, on that yuftara mean he fabricate or he produce.
Yeah. It's iftara. It's for the first word be iftara.
Iftara.
What will be the mudare, brother?
Yuftara. Iftara. Yeah.
Iftara yaftari. Like ihtada yahtadi. Iftara yaftari. But this is not yaftari.
This is
yuftara. So this is what?
Passive voice.
This is a passive voice. So yaftari means he fabricates or he will fabricate. So what will be the meaning of yuftara?
He was fabricated.
He is fabricated.
He is fabricated.
Or he will be fabricated. Huh? Okay.
In, from, duni, other
than
Allah, wa and lakin, but. Tasdeeq mean like confirmation.
Okay, what's the first word, brother?
Saddaka yusaddiq.
Saddaqa
To
yusaddiqu
tasdeeq.
tasdeequn. Huh? So this is what? Masdar?
Masdar.
Yeah, this is the masdar. Saddaqa means he certified.
Is certified.
Tasdeeq means
To certify.
to certify, or you can also say a certification.
To certification.
Certification, yeah.
Allazi, the one who, by between yadayhi, before
No,
Uh,
just yadayhi. Just
Yad-
yadayhi.
yadai mean like a hand.
Yad. Yad means
Yad-
hand. Yadun
hand.
means hand. But this is yadai. What is yadai, brother?
Their hand.
It's yadaihi.
Yadaihi,
Like kitabihi.
his hand.
Yadaihi.
His hand.
How many hands, brother? One hand, two hands, more than two hands.
Two,
What is it?
two.
So what's the word for two hands? Yad means one hand. Okay, make it two hands.
Yada,
Yadani and
yadani,
yadaini.
yadaini.
Yadani and yadaini, right? So it should be yadainihi. His two hands. But it is not
His two
yadaini.
hand.
Where did the noon go, brother? What happened to it?
Baina. Baina is
No, baina has nothing to do with it, brother.
1 second. Noon is dropped due to lakin.
No. It's not coming from outside. It is within. The reason is within it. It is not any outside effect.
Yadainahu. The real word is.
Would you let me? Maybe I should ask somebody else, brother Azhar, if you are
Please.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anybody who can tell me about this? Why no?
Brother, I think it is because of mudaf relationship. When mudaf has to be light, that is why it was dropped noon.
Jazakallah khair, brother Javed. So did you follow brother Azhar what brother Javed was saying?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yadain is heavy.
Yeah.
So when you attach a pronoun to it
Yeah,
and make it mudaf ilayhi, you have to first make it light. So you drop the noon. So yadainihi becomes yadaihi. So what does it mean, brother?
His two hands.
His two hands. So baina yadaihi means?
Between his two hands.
His two hands. Very good. Very good. So let's combine it, brother, now.
And not this Quran is,
or you can say was, and not this Quran was
that
it is fabricated
from other than Allah, but
you can just say but. Walakin is just but
certified,
a certification.
but certified, a certification, those who the one who before mean grammatically between them or between before.
No, just forget about before.
Okay,
there's nothing before. We are going literally here. Between
his hand.
With his two hands.
Between his two hands.
His two hands. What is between your two hands? When you stretch your two hands, right? You extend them. The area between your two hands is a place which is in front of you. You agree, brother?
Yes.
Yeah. So literally means between his two hands, but what actually it is being sent here is in front of it. In front of him or in front of it. That's where the word in front comes. And in front also means before it. In front also can be understood as before it. Yeah, already there, in front of it. All right, thank you, brother Azhar.
Yeah.
Let's go to brother Ijaz. Brother Ijaz, help us finish this ayah.
السلام عليكم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وتفصيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين
Hmm.
and tafsil detail or
Detail or explanation.
explanation
Yeah.
al-kitab the book la not raiba doubt fihi in it min from Rabb Lord Rabbil Alameen Lord of the worlds
All right.
and explanation I'm just trying to make sense explanation tafsil al-kitabi and the detail
Mhm.
the detail of the book or
Yeah,
the
yeah.
detail
Mudaf,
detail
mudaf
of the
ilayh.
book
Yeah.
and the detail of the book and there is no doubt in the detail of the book.
You can either you should connect it to the next part. Huh?
Okay,
La riba fihi will be connected to the min
yeah.
rabbil alamin.
So and detail of the book, there is no doubt in it from the Lord of the worlds.
Yeah, there is no doubt in it that it is from the Lord
That
of the
it is
yeah,
that it is
from
from the
worlds.
Lord of the worlds.
Yeah, yeah. All right, good. Thank you, Brother Ijaz. Brother Ijaz, as you are with us, can you explain? I know you didn't do this,
Yeah.
but maybe you can explain it to us. Why it is not yadahu? Instead of yadahu, it is yadaihi. Why it is mansoob or majroor? What is it? Why? What's the status of it?
Baina yadayhi. It is, I think if it's Rafa status, then it's Yada, but if it's Nasab or Mansub, then it should be Yaday.
So you think saying it is mansoob?
Yeah, because it's
What is its majroor status, brother?
Yada. It's same, I
Yadani,
think.
yadaini, yadaini, right? So
Yadain
it
is
could be any
same,
of the two.
same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nasab
So-
or Jar. Yeah.
So we have to decide which one it is. Is it nasab or jar, and why it is nasab or jar? Can you tell us that, or I should ask someone else?
I don't know for sure.
Don't
I
know.
don't
All right. Anybody. It's open to anyone.
Kasra.
I think Baina is a special mudaf.
Very good. Jazakallah khair, Brother Ashar. Baina is a special mudaf. So Baina is a mudaf. So Yadai is mudaf ilay. So what is the status then?
Majroor.
Majroor. Very good. So it is majroor.
because it's
And what is
mudaf
the
ilayh.
status of he?
Again, Majroor.
Majroor. So Yadai is a mudaf ilay for Baina, and it is mudaf
For
for
he.
he. So it is mudaf and mudaf ilay at the same time. All right, thank you. So let me combine this. So Hazal Qur'anu is the outside doer of Tan. And what is Hazal Qur'anu, Brother Azhar? Grammatically.
Hazal Qur'an is grammatically is
Ismul Ishara and
hold on. Ishara Musharun alay.
yeah, Ismul Ishara and Musharun alay. What is the status of Haza here?
Status of Haza is Haza status means you grammatically you asking like
Is it Rafa, Nasab or Jar? What is the status of Haza here?
Marfu.
I can say marfu
It's Rafa. Yeah, why Rafa?
is not change, is not flexible. No?
No, that's not the reason.
Because Misharul Alay is Rafa.
Exactly. Because Ismul Ishara and Musharun alay, they're supposed to be matched with respect to all the four properties. So if Qur'anu
Is a marfu.
is Rafa, then Haza has to be Rafa, right?
Rafa. the same properties.
Yeah, so you cannot tell by looking at haza what his status is. You have to go to the musharun alayh to find it out. Makes sense, brother?
Yes.
Because haza will never change. It is non-flexible. So you have to go to the ismul ishara to find out what is the status of ismul musharun alayh, actually, to find out what is the status of ismul ishara. And now this Quran was such. I'm adding a word such here just to make good translation in English. And now this Quran was such that it is fabricated other than Allah, but a certification of the one who is in front of it. I mean, other books that came before, Torah and Injil. And a detail or explanation of the book. There is no doubt in it that it is from the Lord, the Master of all nations, Master of the worlds. Let's go to the breakout room with not
Can we
much
say
time left.
absolutely no doubt in it?
This is the really I like it today. A way of we are teaching you. This is the best. If you teach like this one, inshallah, very soon we will.
Inshallah, inshallah. We work together towards
Brother
it,
Sh-
inshallah.
Brother Shabazz, quick question. The saying fabricated by Allah, is there another word? Like it's
Made by Allah. Okay,
it's
I know
made or
it doesn't sound very good, right?
fabricate means changing something that's not true. So
I mean,
maybe
this
it's
Quran is such a book, nobody else can make it, even if somebody tries it, right?
yeah,
It
can
can
make
be
it.
only made by Allah. So maybe we
Yeah.
can choose a better word for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. Maybe it doesn't sound very good.
Jazakallah.